Hey, it's Scott coming to you here live from my home in Sugarloaf. Hope all is well. Here with another done for you instant. You heard that correct. Instant 800, 2400, and 4000. Okay, folks? You heard me that right. 800, 2400, and $4,000 commissions right here that we make for you. Yes. And just if you don't think it works, you could just see right here. This is my 50K trophy. So I have some nice bonuses for you. So be sure to stay to the end. Be sure to smash the subscribe, hit the bell. The link is below in this description here. So when you put your email in here, it's going to direct you over to this video right here, okay? And now this video is the one that explains how this whole entire system works. Hands-free, 1 hour a day, no technical experience, okay? And this is really stupid simple, okay? So you're going to watch this video here, and then once you're done there, you're just going to click right here, because this is where the magic happens, folks. This is where the magic happens. This explains to you the product, okay? The product's explained, but the real magic is right here. This phone number right here, because what you're going to do after reviewing those videos that I showed you is you're going to call this phone number, tell them Scott Darvid sent you, okay? Yes, and you're going to tell them that Scott Darvid sent you and you've seen him on YouTube. That's exactly what I want you to tell Bob. When when he calls back, you're going to leave a message, call this number 1-800-576-2917. Tell him Scott Darvid sent you on your when you leave him the message, and also tell him that you've seen Scott Darvid on YouTube. This way we know where our leads are coming from, okay? And he'll take care of you, and then he'll connect us with you. But before all that happens here, make sure you go through, and I'm actually going to speed this up for you. You could see other people's success like Carol right here, okay? It's just unbelievable, folks. And now we're getting 40% off at the diamond. Yes, 40% off at the diamond level. That just launched. As you can see right here, Dan from Florida, $12,800 in just 4 days. And yes, and they did the work. He kept the commission, okay? That's how you do that, okay? Just remember, you could be making this is instant. There's no waiting for this either. 800, 2400, $4,000 commissions each and every single day with online consistent money. Just like Michael C. in Alabama, $4,200 in just 3 weeks, folks. This is, and there's more and more and more success. My video's not up on this on here as of yet, but again, do you ask yourself, do you want 800, 2400, or $4,000 mailed right to your door, sent to your Cash App, sent to your Zelle? All right. So right here, we're going to show you the back office of and just getting back here, the lifetime 40%. This is new for a diamond member. And just so you know, it goes gold, gold, platinum, and diamond. Okay, diamond here. This is your what you're gonna pay for traffic. Yes, this is traffic. We're a traffic warehouse. Now we're getting 40% off traffic to become a diamond member, and you can make what? $4,000 commissions. Okay. Now the one in between there is platinum. The platinum package here, you're getting 20% off. So between platinum and diamond, 20, now you're doubling your percentage. So diamond definitely, because you know why, folks? Let me just show you one last thing before, back on this page that we were on. I wanted to bring you down to here. There's more success, but you could click here, exact instructions how to get started, and we could come down over here, 0 out of pocket, okay, folks? 0 out of pocket. All right, let's go back over here to show you the gold right here, and then we're going to get in with the bonuses. So we have the gold is right here. You're going to get 10% off on your, I'm sorry, 20% discount. Are you sure? Hold on, wait a second. We're getting, yes, 20% discount off of, 10% discount. 10% discount off of our traffic doing the gold, okay? And so let's go back over here. Remember, the link is below here. Don't forget to smash subscribe, hit the bell. You're going to put your email address in here. That's going to get you onto my email list. And what are my value stacks? Listen, folks, I own a funnel building company, so what I'm going to do, no matter what product package to make it easy that you join, all right, I'm going to give you a starter, okay? I'm going to give you the starter. So basically, you're going to be like me and look at this, have your own email, collect your own leads, and I'm going to set all this up for you. So that's a bonus that I have here for my fast start bonuses, okay? So that's what I do here. We do that, and as you can see, I do the email connection. But anyway, that's it, folks. Be sure to go to the link below right here. Click on it. You're going to come here, put your email address in here, go through everything, give my team a call. I look forward to connecting with you. Oh, and lastly, and the last bonus is you're going to get into my universities, my Advanced Lead University, my Shorts University, and my Email Marketing University. So I look forward to connecting and bringing you into this great business so you can live the life and the time freedom that you want. Bye for now.